What if your favorite way to get fit is secretly sabotaging your joints? Or what if the rebounder you almost bought online is just one bounce away from a catastrophic failure? We've seen the viral videos, but nobody talks about the risks. That's why we assembled and stress-tested the 5 most popular rebounders and mini trampolines on the market. We measured bounce quality, stability, and durability most people ignore. What we found will change how you work out forever. One model felt like jumping on a concrete slab, while another had a hidden design flaw we caught just in time. Our number 1 pick isn't the most expensive, but its secret ingredient makes it worth every penny. Starting at number 1. JumpSport 350 Fitness Trampoline. Best overall. Exceptional stability, comfort, and durability make JumpSport's 350 Fitness Trampoline a clear top choice for anyone serious about working out with a rebounder. We found its bounce and customizable bungee tension perfectly balanced, offering enough resistance for a controlled workout while still being fun and comfortable to use. Unlike some other models that felt wobbly or overly stiff, this one's unique. Arched legs provided a secure, firm platform that allows us to focus on form and movement. It supported every movement, from low-impact bouncing to higher-intensity exercises, without shifting or making noise. A top choice for many experts, Gillum likes the Rebounder's strong yet smooth bungee cords that make for a joint-friendly, stable, and long-lasting rebounder. Pena also prefers JumpSport for its comfortable surface and moderate resistance, which makes it perfect for a variety of fitness levels. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to move, making it a great addition to any home gym. Given its high-quality build and smooth performance, we think it's well worth the investment for anyone looking to elevate their rebounding workouts. Best for those looking for a high-quality, stable, and durable rebounder that provides a supportive yet bouncy workout experience at home. Number 2. Bellicon 39-inch Mini Trampoline. Best overall runner-up. Bellicon's 39-inch Mini Trampoline earned its place as our runner-up thanks to its quality build and responsive bounce. During testing, we found that the bungee system provided a soft, controlled, yet energetic rebound that allowed for fluid, low-impact movement. Unlike models with stiffer tension, this one offered a more forgiving landing, which can be beneficial for those with joint concerns. Despite its compact size, the stable frame and secure attachments gave us full confidence while bouncing. One of the best features was its durable materials, from the sturdy frame to the well-secured bungee cords, everything felt built to last. Although the assembly process was a bit more involved than others, the clear instructions helped guide us through each step. Once set up, the trampoline remained firmly in place during workouts, and we appreciated that it didn't shift or wobble. For those seeking a high-quality, low-impact fitness tool, this one is a solid choice. Best for those who want a high-quality, bungee-based rebounder with a strong yet forgiving bounce for low-impact workouts. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor and Outdoor Exercise Trampoline. Best outdoor. If your workouts take you beyond the living room, Sunny Health and Fitness's exercise trampoline can handle the elements while keeping your routine fresh. Its sturdy construction beautifully absorbs impact, so we could jump, sprint, and pivot with confidence in the backyard, on the patio, or in a home gym. The consistent bounce and solid shock absorption make it great for cardio and strength-focused workouts, while its stable platform and arched legs kept us safely grounded, even when our feet weren't. It's easy to wipe clean from grass, rain, or mud, and we found the assembly refreshingly quick and intuitive, thanks to pre-assembled parts and an easy-to-follow manual. For the price, this rebounder is a steal, especially given its weatherproof durability, smooth performance, and adaptability to different environments. Whether you're using it to add variety to your hit circuits or just want a fun, low-impact way to stay active outdoors, this rebounder is a worthy investment. Number 4. JumpSport 550F Pro Rebounder Trampoline. Best foldable. JumpSport's 550F Pro Rebounder earns our top spot for best foldable rebounder because its space-saving design delivers durability, stability, and customizable bounce that's perfect for smaller homes and apartments. We loved how quick it was to set up, just unfold it, snap on the legs, and start bouncing within 5 minutes. The arched legs provided superior stability, preventing any wobbling or shifting, and the 7 tension settings allowed for a personalized workout experience, from a firmer bounce to a softer, more joint-friendly feel. Plus, it remains whisper quiet, even after frequent use, making it easy to hop on while others are asleep. Unlike other foldable models we tested, this one feels just as sturdy as non-foldable options, making it a great long-term investment. Its spacious surface easily accommodated users of different sizes, and we found it perfect for getting in extra steps or light cardio throughout the day. The high-quality bungee cords provide a smooth, controlled bounce without jarring the joints, making it ideal for both casual jumpers and those easing into a fitness routine. Best for beginner exercisers and families looking for a foldable rebounder that provides a fun, low-impact way to stay active indoors. Number 5. BCAN Octagonal Mini Trampoline. Best shock absorbing. BCAN's Octagonal Mini Trampoline is our top pick for shock absorption thanks to its perfect blend of tension and bounce. It promotes super soft landings that are easy on our joints but still has plenty of tension and rebound to allow for intense jumping workouts. We love using this trampoline as a cardio alternative, even our kids enjoy using it. The bungee's made for a quiet and smooth experience, and we like that the handle adjusts to 3 different heights. This trampoline comes partially pre-assembled, and it was very easy to finish the setup right out of the box. The instructions were easy to understand, and we really appreciate how stable this trampoline feels. We use it frequently for intense, fast workouts, and it never moves or slides around. We never had to stop in the middle of a workout to adjust the rebounder, making it easy to keep our heart rate up and maintain intensity. The firmness, stability, and shock absorption of this rebounder never changed, even with frequent use. It's a great value for a fun cardio workout. Best for exercisers looking for a fun cardio alternative that is supportive and soft on joints. So, which of these 5 rebounders will help you reach your fitness goals safely and effectively? The choice is now crystal clear. To make it easy, we've compiled all the direct purchase links, including any current discounts, in the video description below. Your journey to a fun, low-impact workout is just one click away. If this in-depth testing saved you from a bad purchase or helped you find the perfect match, please show your support with a like and share this video with someone in your life who needs a safer workout. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week, we're exposing the truth about post-workout recovery drinks that are mostly sugar. You'll be stunned. Now go bounce towards a healthier you.